What's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community, and we're back with another video. In this video, guys, we are going to be talking about the micro E-mini NasDaq chart. We're going to be taking a look at the futures December 2023 contract. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so the very first thing that I want to do is come here to a monthly chart, and I want to draw out the dealing range for the monthly chart. So in the background, we're gonna go ahead and lock that. So this is our dealing range. This is our most recent swing low right here. Most recent swing high right here. Right, let me see. Yeah, that'll be fine like that. All right, from there, I want to drop down into the weekly. Okay, and now I want to begin to mark out my discount PD arrays. So the very first thing that catches my eye that is in discount is this fair value gap. All right, let's go ahead and lock that on, throw that to the back. Okay, what else is in discount? I see a volume imbalance that has not been mitigated yet. Okay, so I want to mark that out, lock that, throw that to the back. All right, what else? I do see this down close candle that should support price. Just gonna throw that on there. All right. All right. So that's what I'm doing here on the weekly. All right. Now, the market needs to come down before going up. All right. It wants to give the big players opportunity to take some type of discount before heading up. All right. So if that is the case, we need to find a premium. We need to find a premium array that price could tap into to go ahead and push it lower. All right, so my eye immediately drops to this fair value gap. So again, I'm gonna lock that, send it to the back. Okay. What I want to do first though is check out my dealing range for the weekly. All right. So we have prices currently in between this swing high and this swing low. All right. Change this to discount. All right. And I'm studying price to see what has it tapped into. All right, so we do see where it did tap into this up close candle. All right, it's already tapped into this up close candle, and it started pushing down, which I called a couple of weeks ago, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, so what I'm thinking, again, price could very possibly come into that FVG to head down. This kind of looks like a volume imbalance. Yeah. It could come up to this volume imbalance and head down as well. Let's make sure that's on volume. Okay, lock that. Send it to the back. All right. This volume imbalance has already been mitigated, but it could come back to it, which the 50% is above it. I'm not going to mark that. We also have this bearish order block here. So what I'm going to do is I'll select that. All right, so it does have that bearish order block. I know it's a lot on the screen right now, but I have trained my eye to kind of overlook the things that I'm not really interested in. So we do have that bearish order block, and the 50% of that bearish order block is there, which is inside of this fair value gap, which is just below the volume imbalance. So what I'm thinking is price will probably come up to the the mean threshold of this order block, and may even tap into that volume imbalance and then head down. So with all that being said, my weekly bias, the macro bias, the overall bias for the week coming up is going to be bullish, right? To tap in to here, somewhere up here, and then push down. Now, I went the long about way of doing it, but I've also showed you guys where you can take a look at the previous candle and what price did with the previous candle. So if we take a look at the weekly candle for Monday, September 18th, we see what did we do with it. We priced down, we took the low, we swept the low, and we closed above the low. So immediately that's going to give you a bullish bias. So with that being said, initially this is going to be my weekly draw on liquidity. It's buy side. I'm going to go ahead and lock that in. Okay. So that's going to be like my first stop there, but I am calling for it to come up into the 15,328.75 price level, or $15,328.75 price level. All right. So my bias for the going into the week is going to be bullish. All right, let's drop down to the daily chart. All right, so now if it's bullish, what am I expecting price to do? I'm expecting price to go up. Give me 1 second. All right, so again, looking here at the daily, what do we see that could possibly cause the market to go up? All right, so my eye immediately goes to this volume imbalance. All right, we also have a volume imbalance here. All right, again, so we have this volume imbalance here as well. All right, So we could see price revisit these areas and then shoot up. But again, my overall macro view for the micro E-mini NasDaq December 2023 contract is bearish. All right. But again, just as for context, the market needs to go up and either A, take liquidity, or B, rebalance inefficiencies. All right. So I think for the upcoming week, ultimately, we will come up into the $15,328.75 price point before finishing the sell program. All right. So, but price can do anything that it wants. Of course, obviously, we're not in control of it. We could just kind of watch the footprints. All right. So from there, we're gonna pull up the high impact news chart. So let's head over there. All right. So let's take a look at next week. So we have 10 o'clock news on, well, let's just say we have red folder news Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and of course Friday, the non-farm payroll, which I am bullish on the dollar. So I think that will come out as positive, which will cause the market to head down. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So now that we have that, yeah, I'm thinking somewhere around Thursday, Friday, we will be into the weekly buy side draw on liquidity, and then we'll probably see the non-farm payroll or the 8:30 red folder news on Friday push the market down. That's what I'm thinking, but it can push the market up and then the market can go down. It can be a various of things. So what I'll be doing is, of course, I'll be down here on the 15-minute chart, all right? And I will wait for the silver bullet. Sorry. I'll wait for the silver bullet time frame, either London, New York, or London, New York AM or New York PM. Maybe not London. I try my best to sleep. I really don't get up that much. I try not to get up that much, but if I am up, then yeah, I'll check out London and see if we get a silver bullet set up that could push us up. So I'm thinking Sunday will open, and we may push down into this volume imbalance right here, the daily volume imbalance, and then push up for the good part of the week until we get up into the $15,328.75 price point, and then head down. So yep, that is what I will be looking for, guys. The market to come down, push up in order to continue the macro outlook of the market being bearish. All right, guys, that's going to be it. If you're not yet a subscriber and you like the content, please consider subscribing. Like the video if you like this content, and feel free to comment below. All right, until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.